9 ways to get rid of a patchy beard. Hi, welcome to Minecraft. Today we'll be discussing 9 ways to get rid of a patchy beard. Growing a luscious, full beard is an achievement and celebration of manhood. However, not all beards are created equal. For many of us who aspire to be bearded wizards such as Jeff Bridges and Jake Gyllenhaal, it can be startling to see missing patches of hair when we look in the mirror. Like it or not, it takes patience to cultivate a full, soft, healthy beard, so you'll need to be committed. You have to have the willpower to push past the difficult 2-week stage, and by week 6 you should have facial fuzz you can be proud of. Whether it's the rate of hair growth or your hair growth pattern, the way your beard ends up is pretty much hardwired into your genetics. However, the fight isn't over yet. Keep watching for ways to remedy the patchiness and make the most of what you have. Be sure to stay until the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of the important tips to get rid of those patches and grow the full, luscious beard you deserve. Also subscribe to the channel and turn your notifications on for more valuable content like this. Let's get into it. 1. Let it grow. During the first month of trying to grow a beard, you are going to find it looks like a wild forest growing on your face. This is when you are going to want to trim it and start shaping it to look cleaner. As difficult as it will be during these first few weeks, you have to resist the urge to do any grooming whatsoever of your hair. Don't trim, don't shape, and don't cut any of the hairs in your beard. As difficult as this might be to understand, the beard is going to grow faster if you can simply leave it alone. Once you reach the 4 to 6 week mark, then you can begin to shape and clean up the region as much as you like. Forget the old wives' tale about trimming the hair makes it grow thicker, darker, and faster. Currently, there is zero scientific evidence that supports those claims. The hair is going to be stiff those first few weeks. You just need to wait until the point that it softens, then you can clean it up any way you prefer. 2. Keep it trimmed. The appearance of a patchy beard can also be minimized by trimming your facial hair. Depending on where the patches sit, you can trim your beard creatively. Incorporate these patches into your look using flattering angles. Or you can choose to keep the rest of your beard trimmed so short that the patches are hardly noticeable. Start off using a number 3, and then go shorter if you like from there. Take your time to ensure that you give yourself a neat and even trim, and check as you go. Otherwise, you may end up with a more patchy beard than before. 3. Condition your beard. Wiry, dry, and poorly looked after facial hair can cause a patchy beard. So looking after it using the right products and tools can make a big difference to not just the health of the hair, but its overall appearance. A good beard oil or beard balm will keep your mane healthy and clean all the way down to the follicles. Use an exfoliant to remove dead skin cells and prevent dry skin. This will also help you suffer from itchy beard syndrome while stimulating the skin underneath. This promotes blood flow and in turn hair grow, resulting in a fuller, thicker, and healthier beard. 4. Eat well. A healthy lifestyle and diet is the most useful thing you can do when it comes to improving, well, just about anything. But what you eat is especially important when it comes to hair growth. Drink plenty of water as well as upping your vitamin B and C intake. Zinc, iron, and omega-3 also all help to nourish hair and promote growth. Try taking a multivitamin or adding more avocado, eggs, almonds, cauliflower, bananas, and milk to your diet. While you're at it, foods such as white meat, peanuts, mushrooms, tuna, beef, and sunflower seeds contain niacin. This is another handy multivitamin that has been linked to hair growth. 5. Exercise. Working out increases testosterone levels, and testosterone is a key trigger for facial hair growth. Why? Most importantly, testosterone converts into something called DHT, a sex hormone that's a key contributor to hair growth, fertility, muscle gain, and more. Men with higher levels of DHT and testosterone usually have more facial hair than men who have lower levels. The only downside, however, is that men with high levels of DHT have a greater sensitivity to a hormone that causes male pattern baldness, MPB. If you have lower levels of DHT, however, and are frustrated about your beard growth or its patchiness, the good news is that you can take natural testosterone supplements. Exercise increases the blood flow to your muscles, scalp, and skin, including the skin on your face. The increased blood flow brings more oxygen and nutrients while providing a nice boost to facial hair growth. Exercise causes us to sweat, letting us know we're getting in a good workout, and sweat carries toxins and waste products through the skin's pores. Sweating helps unclog hair follicles to provide room for new hair to grow. Working out boosts your metabolism, which can aid hair growth while aiding your overall health. Working out helps your body recover more readily, which helps replenish facial hair and skin. Let's be honest, working out can give you a killer body to go with your killer beard. It's a lethal combination if you're not that guy and your girlfriend notices that guy. Most types of exercise are good for facial hair growth, although fitness experts suggest that cardio workouts such as running, brisk walking, cycling, dance, and interval training are particularly beneficial. 6. Get enough sleep. No one likes it when you don't get enough rest and you wake up in the morning groggy and irritable. You know, those mornings when the alarm clock sounds like a siren going off in your head. You don't like it, your significant other doesn't like it, and your beard doesn't like it. Numerous studies show that a lack of sleep has a variety of negative effects on the body, including that it reduces testosterone levels. And reduced testosterone levels aren't going to help your patchy beard. Studies show that a week of sleep deprivation, not getting more than 5 hours of sleep per night, resulted in a 10 to 15% reduction in testosterone levels. The study, as well as others, show that getting a good night's rest regenerates testosterone levels. 7. Disguise blank patches. Don't be afraid to break out the eyebrow pencil to shade in smaller patches. Women have been doing this for years, so why shouldn't the guys borrow a trick or two? This is a simple and effective way to hide patches which are otherwise unfixable. But keep in mind, it will only work for smaller areas. To keep things looking natural, make sure you use a brow pencil which matches your beard color. If you are unsure, enlist the help of your partner, sister, female best friend, or head to the makeup counter and ask the shop assistant. 8. Avoid certain hair growth products. There are many products which claim to promote hair growth on the top of your head. However, you should steer clear of these when it comes to your patchy beard. Some chemicals found in hair products are far too harsh to come in contact with your skin, particularly a compound called minoxidil. So by using these products on your beard, you are exposing the underlying skin to damage. This can cause dryness and other irritations which can cause your hair to fall out, making the patches worse. 9. Stop smoking. Although science hasn't fully uncovered the effects that cigarette smoke has on beard growth, there are some conclusions so far. It's been discovered that smoking affects facial hair just as it does the aging process. Only a few cigarettes a day can affect the blood circulation to the hair's root, causing your hair cells not to get enough blood needed for healthy hair growth, resulting in your beard growing slowly or not at all. Also, smoking cigarettes can suppress your appetite and make you feel like you've consumed enough food, even if you haven't. This will prevent you from taking in the essential vitamins and minerals found in food, which you need for your beard to grow faster. And like that isn't enough, smoking regularly can result in your facial hair turning gray prematurely. Combine that with your beard not growing fast enough, and you'll think twice before smoking another cigarette. That's all from us today, guys. We hope you found this information useful. Make sure you smash the like button if you enjoyed this video and leave your thoughts on this topic in the comments section. Also, subscribe to the channel and turn your notifications on to stay up to date with our latest content. Thanks for watching Minecraft.